Hey, welcome back to Bell's Emporium. Now, I took my new boat out yesterday for only the second time, and I ran into a little bit of trouble. So I thought I'd post this video up because it may help someone else in the future. So I was out on the water, and the motor was running really rough, and I gave it a good squirt, and the motor died on me. And I'll just show you what happened. The fuel line here came off the fuel pump, which is connected to the carburetor. So I had fuel pretty much everywhere in the motor. Not a good thing when you're on the water. I was able to put it all back together and let it sit for a minute, and I was able to restart the motor, but I had to limp back to the boat ramp. Now, what happened when I got back to the boat ramp was I had the motor up, and I saw oil leaking from some water egress points that are below the prop shaft. So a little bit of oil leaking out of the exhaust from the prop shaft, just a little bit. Now, after speaking to a professional about it, thankfully, it's not I drained the gearbox oil when I got home from the boat ramp, and that's what it looked like. Thankfully, it's not milky, so that means that there's no water getting inside to the gears. So this is a great thing. Now, I went and spoke to a professional about it, and he said that because you've had that fuel spill, what it is excess, I forget the words he used, but it's from the two-stroke motor oil that you mix with the fuel, with these two strokes. So it's a good thing. It means my gearbox is not destroyed. So I dumped the gearbox oil, and now I'm just putting in some new gearbox oil. Now, using the Evan Johnson two strokes. Now, my pump doesn't fit in that bottle, so I've just put into an old old glass clean bottle that I had, and we're just we're about halfway through pumping it through, so I might as well just film the rest of that for you. So just have a look. You can see it's just starting to come through the top. So it looks pretty good. Got some new washers here for our screws. And pop that back on top. And this bottom one is gonna just pull the bottom one out. So once you've got your new washer on, just blocking that with your finger so the oil's not coming out, he says. There you go. And that's it, simple as that.